A press conference was held para ipaalam sa lahat na isang madilim na pangyayari ang magaganap. Isang kadiliman na mabibigyan buhay ng liwanag gawa ng Energizer. Last May 26, 2015, organizers of this event proudly announced the lighting up of the night with the Energizer Night Race Manila 2015. Everyone is invited to join this event. Kaya matanda o bata, basta mahilig ka lang tumakbo. Pero wag kang mabahala sa gabi dahil nandyan ang Energizer to provide the accessories needed for the race.
Annually, we have Energizer Night Race. This is our advocacy for the brand wherein we aim to promote 3 points. First, of course, to introduce our Energizer batteries, our products, and most especially Energizer headlights. First, Energizer Open Run. So it's a 2-hour open run wherein we encourage runners to run as many 3-kilometer loops as they can. And that 3-kilometer loop run would equivalent to 100 peso donation to Bantay Bata 163.
The would-be runners of this race can be rest assured that it will not only be healthy for them, but it will also be good for the less fortunate children of our country.
For all the runners out there, help us achieve the 1 million cash donation to Bantay Bata by running as many 3-kilometer loops as you can on the Energizer Night Race 2015.
The Energizer Night Race Manila 2015, isang takbuhan na dapat abangan.
For this run, why a night run? Well, first, it's also catering to a different kind of experience for the runners, and it's using one of our products, which is the Energizer headlight. I hope that you'll be with us on June 27 and run for a cause and to help us share that positive energy to keep on going and to help us donate to ABS-CBN Bantay Bata 163. So I hope to see you there.